guys, it's Fossilization here, and I'm back with another video for today. Say hello again.
Hello. Suck at line art.
And today I will be trading away my luscious purple long.
Why can't I do? What is that?
Shout out! Well, yeah, this is kind of crazy. So I will be trading away my purple long to Horse Cray Cray 10. I've been doing a lot of trading to her. It's kind of funny. And I will be getting 18 non-member den betas and 2 member den betas for my purple long. 18.
Just hears you typing in background.
I'm sorry. But yay, like, I can't. Also, what are we doing? Trading. Also, I got one is the loneliest number that you'll ever be.
But it's 0.
Stop correcting me on my not on my Christian Minecraft server.
Why can't I do line art today?
How I feel every day of my life.
You know what? How you can tell I'm getting mad.
Yes.
It's just getting to the point where I'm just blacking out areas so I can just color in the space I want with black.
Honestly, I got a gecko plushie!
Better than line art.
I got a gecko plushie.
So many words do I need to give you?
Hold on. Let me just log in my computer.
Yeah, your computer's kind of yelling at you there.
Yeah, I know. He's like, feed me Power Plus. So, okay.
Feed me through Power Outlet Plus.
Alright. Say bye. Say bye.
Oh, adios, amigos. You know what? God dang it, I'm just...
Use.
And I'm free.
You want to say goodbye? Because I'm going to end it now.
Oh, bye, everyone.
Goodbye, lovely people of the internet.